Today we're making a gumbo, Caribbean based, and this one's going to be using seafood. I'm going to be using shrimp in this. You can also add fish. This is a very versatile dish, whatever you've got. You can use halibut or redfish or any type of sole. That type of thing goes very well with this. It just soaks up that flavor. And here I'm going to show you, these are Gulf shrimp. And then pull the vein right out. So in this case you don't have to. These are beautiful little shrimp. So you just pull the tail here after you've got that, and the shell comes right off. You want to reserve the shells as well because we're going to be making a stock a little bit later. So then you just continue to peel your shrimp. And I like to pull it from the back side down and then grab the tail and just pull this off.